YouTube is launching 5 new features for live streams. Get out of here. Is that what we're doing? Is this a live stream? Is that what you would call this?
I think so.
YouTube is enhancing live streams for viewers and creators with the launch of 5 new features. Well, the people, they need to know about this, Will. Absolutely. What are they? Go live together. Oh, my God. Are we having audience members come on the show?
Maybe.
Ask questions. Live rings. We talked about that in the past. So this is an easier way of telling when a channel that you watch is live at any given moment. Like this one right now. I don't know. Maybe you even see these live rings right now. Cross-channel live redirects, uninterrupted split-screen viewing, and live Q&A. Cool. They've been investing in live stuff. They went after the gamers. Okay, so this Go Live Together is collaborative live streaming for mobile devices. So you would just pop on with your smartphone, and then somebody else who you wanted to stream with would do the same. And then all of a sudden you're cooking or you're doing whatever you're doing. Yeah. In your collaborative live stream. It's split screen, and it's split up and down. So someone gets the bottom and someone gets the top. And then, in this example, there's 1,000 people watching. So you could do these mini little collabs.
Yeah, or like a Q&A or something.
Or a Q&A. Well, the Q&A feature seems to bring audience members in.
Yeah.
So that's even more dynamic than just a one-to-one collab. The live rings help viewers identify when a channel is live by adding a ring around a channel's profile picture. So that's what it would look like. You can let me know if this is what you see when our show happens to be live, but I think that's a nice enhancement. Something a little bit different. Cross-channel live redirects. With the launch of this, creators with at least 1,000 subscribers and no active community guideline strikes will be able to direct their viewers to a live stream or premiere hosted on a different channel. The channel being redirected to can add channels they want to allow redirects to them from. So this is a way of like promoting a live stream. Split screen viewing on mobile. YouTube is working on offering an uninterrupted view of a live stream by taking a split screen approach with 2 different viewing experiences for mobile devices. In the lean-in video and live chat experience, the live chat engagement panel will sit to the right of the screen, replacing the live chat overlay from the classic view. The lean back or collapse live chat experience allows for the viewer to be full screen when watching in landscape mode.
So do you think it might be like if we're doing like an Apple event, there'd be a live stream, an Apple event, and then us talking about the Apple event? Is that how it's going to work?
I think they're just talking about chat here.
Oh, okay.
If you choose the lean back experience, it will show a teaser of key moments in the chat to make sure the viewer doesn't miss anything, but it won't be so predominantly placed. Like if you do a split screen, if you really care to monitor the chat. And then another upcoming feature is live Q&A. And viewers will be able to submit questions during a live stream based on a creator's question prompt. Questions answered by the creator will be temporarily pinned to the top of the live chat, encouraging other viewers to submit their own. That might be easier to do, like for you to do it.
Yeah.
While we're live streaming. It seems like it's more of a chat-specific thing. But either way, investing in the live format, we don't mind. We don't mind.